Theta value equivalent to $0.6276 a coin. The present reach, $0.6259. $0.6459. The earlier day close, $0.6458. The change was 0.0182, 2.82%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to Theta. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost forecast for August 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.78. Greatest cost 79 cents. Least cost 57 cents. The normal for the month 70 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 67 cents. Change for August 14.1%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for September 2023. At the outset cost at $0.67. Most extreme cost 75 cents. Least cost 49 cents. The normal for the month 65 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 70 cents. Change for September 4.5%. Theta cost expectation for October 2023. Initially cost at $0.70. Most extreme cost 80 cents. Least cost 70 cents. The normal for the month 74 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 75 cents. Change for October 7.1%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. In the first place cost at $0.75. Greatest cost 75 cents. Least cost 61 cents. The normal for the month 69 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 66 cents. Change for November 12.0%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.66. Greatest cost 66 cents. Least cost 52 cents. The normal for the month 60 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 56 cents. Change for December 15.2%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Before all else cost at $0.56. Most extreme cost 57 cents. Least cost 49 cents. The normal for the month 54 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 53 cents. Change for January 5.4%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at $0.53. Greatest cost 53 cents. Least cost 46 cents. The normal for the month 50 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 49 cents. Change for February 7.5%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. To start with cost at $0.49. Greatest cost 58 cents. Least cost 49 cents. The normal for the month 53 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 54 cents. Change for spring 10.2%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place cost at $0.54. Greatest cost 67 cents. Least cost 54 cents. The normal for the month 60 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 63 cents. Change for April 16.7%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. At the outset cost at $0.63. Most extreme cost 63 cents. Least cost 49 cents. The normal for the month 57 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 53 cents. Change for May 15.9%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.53. Greatest cost 53 cents. Least cost 42 cents. The normal for the month 48 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 45 cents. Change for June 15.1%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. To start with cost at $0.45. Greatest cost 52 cents. Least cost 45 cents. The normal for the month 48 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 49 cents. Change for July 8.9%. Theta cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.49. Greatest cost 49 cents. Least cost 42 cents. The normal for the month 46 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 45 cents. Change for August 8.2%. United States dollars to Theta swapping scale equivalent to 1.5932 Thetas per $1. The present reach, 1.5482 to 1.5977. The earlier days nearby, 1.5484. Change for now plus 0.0448. Plus 2.89%. Theta cost expectation for October 2025. To start with cost at $0.26. Greatest cost 26 cents. Least cost 21 cents. The normal for the month 24 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 23 cents. change for October 11.5%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.23. Greatest cost 24 cents. Least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 22 cents. Change for November 4.3%. Theta cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at $0.22. Most extreme cost 22 cents. Least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 21 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 21 cents. Change for December 4.5%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. In the first place cost at $0.21. Greatest cost 26 cents. Least cost 21 cents. The normal for the month 23 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 24 cents. Change for January 14.3%. Theta cost expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.24. Greatest cost 30 cents. Least cost 24 cents. The normal for the month 27 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 28 cents. Change for February 16.7%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2026. At the outset cost at $0.28. Most extreme cost 34 cents. Least cost 28 cents. The normal for the month 31 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 32 cents. Change for spring 14.3%. Theta cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at $0.32. Most extreme cost 32 cents. Least cost 28 cents. The normal for the month 31 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 30 cents. Change for April 6.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. Initially cost at $0.30. Most extreme cost 33 cents. Least cost 29 cents. The normal for the month 31 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 31 cents. Change for May 3.3%. Theta cost expectation for June 2026. To start with cost at $0.31. Greatest cost 39 cents. Least cost 31 cents. The normal for the month 34 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 36 cents. Change for June 16.1%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.36. Greatest cost 37 cents. Least cost 33 cents. The normal for the month 35 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 35 cents. Change for July 2.8%. Theta cost expectation for August 2026. At the outset cost at $0.35. Most extreme cost 41 cents. Least cost 35 cents. The normal for the month 37 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 38 cents. Change for August 8.6%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for September 2026. In the first place cost at $0.38. Greatest cost 47 cents. Least cost 38 cents. The norm